Hey folks, you ever come out and you want to use your tractor in the morning and bam, you got a flat tire? Well, that happened to me today. And we're going to try a unique product, FlatOut by Multi-Seal. Will it work? I don't know. Stay tuned. Full disclosure, I purchased this product myself. And the reason why is I wanted to make sure that I could give you a fair and unbiased review. If it works, I'll let you know. If it doesn't work, I'll let you know. I did reach out to the company and talk to Kelly. He was extremely knowledgeable in his product and did go over a few facts with me. But again, as I told him, this will be a full, fair, and unbiased review. FlatOut is different because it seals using a Kevlar and non-latex material. This FlatOut, as I was told by Kelly, will last for years, the life of the tire. But let's be honest, no amount of $16 flat repair is going to make a brand new tire. As a professional consumer, we expect that there's miracles in a bottle. There's no miracles in a bottle. This is a $200 tire. It is now a compromised tire. Going into this, we know that. So let's give it a shot. Okay, let's check out these instructions here. Rotate tire so valve stem is near the top. All right. Remove cap. Do not remove cap from bottle, but pull the disc at the top of the cap until hose is fully extended. All right, came off. Tug gently to remove the disc end from the hose. Use tool on bottom of disc to remove valve core stem. Allow tire to deflate fully. Attach hose to valve stem. Firmly squeeze bottle to install sealant. Now, talking to Kelly, he had said that I should only need half a bottle in this size tire. So we'll try half. All right, that's about half. Replace valve core, inflate tire, and that should be it. I'm going to put 25 pounds in. Almost. Okay, there's 25. We'll replace the cap. And let's pull out those nails. So you can see here we have 1, 2, 3. That's it. So we have 3 nails in the tire already. That was pretty quick. We're at 18 hours on the tractor. So let's get these guys out. Now the way to do it is, apparently you take these out and then you spin the tire around and it should seal. Oh, that one looks like it didn't make any air. Great. This one's probably the same. Oh. Well, It's not sealing. Let's try the next one. Maybe there's just not enough pressure in that tire. I don't know. Well, let's give it some more air. Well, so far we have a problem. I think what I'll do is go ahead and put a whole bottle in, just see if that helps. It is. Yeah, that works. All right. Oh, there's still some air in there. Let's try that again. All right, let's give it another spin. Well, I still got a little air coming out of there. This one seems to have sealed. That one, let's leave it down a while. I think we got it. I guess I just had to sit down there a little longer. All right, well, let's go put these to the test. To test this tire, we're going to stress it under load by moving this pile over a few feet and moving it back. I'll put as much torque on it as I can. I'll kind of bounce onto it a little bit, and then we'll see if it works. out our patches and see if they're leaking. I have a little bottle of soapy water here. See if I can even find them again, I hope. Boy, I tell you what, I can't even find them. I guess that's good. So we bounced it, we twisted and turned, no leaks found. Tire looks like it's in pretty good shape. No bubbles. I think it's pretty good. My review on it, does it work? Yeah, I think so. There's a few things that the company wanted to have me say, and I would definitely put them out there. They're on the bottle. It's only good for holes up to 1/2 of an inch. Small cuts, nail holes, stuff like that. Anything larger than that and the tire will fail. Also, it is not to be used on passenger vehicles. Anything with the tire pressure management system, you know, that little icon that pops up on your dashboard that we never take care of and let go forever? Well, those are sensors that are inside your tire. That sensor will get destroyed by this material. So I'm not using it that way. Farm tractor, trailer tires, maybe older vehicle tires that don't have that system. But other than that, it's a non-latex based material. It should last the lifetime of this tire, and I guess only time will tell. If you like this video, I'd love it if you can give me a thumbs up and subscribe. Did it work? Yeah. We'll see you next time.